By now, you should know that I am the queen of seasoned rice. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing pumpkin seasoned rice together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, it's CaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Cali J's Kitchen. So I'm gonna start off by adding some butter to my pot, allow that to melt, and then I'm gonna go in with some of Home Choice garlic paste. Now, Home Choice is a local brand here in Jamaica, and they do have different sauces that you can always go ahead and try. You will find these sauces in the supermarket, or you can go online and shop Home Choice. I will now go ahead and add some chopped onions, scallion. Of course, I'm going to add some thyme. I will also add some Scotch bonnet pepper and some tomato. And listen, this was so amazing. The flavor was everything. Now, if you're not able to get the garlic sauce, you can always go ahead and chop up some cloves of garlic and add it to it as well. Once I combine all of that goodness together, leave it there for roughly about a minute or two. This is what it looks like. I will then go ahead and add the pumpkin, and please note I'm using a small amount of pumpkin today. Once I add the pumpkin, I will combine everything together nicely. Then I'm gonna cover it and just allow it to cook until it is soft. I will also add some saltfish to this. What you can do, you can always go ahead and debone your saltfish yourself, or you can just go ahead and buy the saltfish that is already deboned. And I do have a video on my channel showing you guys how to debone your saltfish. Also guys, if you plan to debone your saltfish yourself, remember to allow your saltfish to cook at least 2 times just to remove that excess salt, because you don't want your seasoned rice to be too salty. I will go ahead now and of course add my saltfish, and basically this is about half pound of saltfish because I love saltfish, so yeah. Once I add the saltfish, I will combine all of that goodness together, and please note I will not be adding any salt to this. However, I will add some black pepper, and maybe I'm going to add a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning just to bring out that taste and the flavor. For today's recipe, I will be using white rice. However, you can always go ahead and use brown rice if it's that one you have at home. I will also add some of Kendall coconut milk powder, and of course if you have the authentic coconut milk, you can always go ahead and do so. Once I add the coconut milk powder, I will combine everything together nicely, and then I'm going to allow this to cook for roughly another 5 minutes or so. Then we're going to come back and add the rice. Please go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I used today, and you can always go ahead and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. So after 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. And of course, you always want to taste. So once I mix that up well, I will go in now, and of course I'm going to add the washed white rice. Like I said, make sure you wash your rice before you go ahead and cook it, all right? Once I add the rice, I will just combine all of that goodness together, and I will also add a little bit more water to it, because I realized that it needs a little bit more water. Make sure that once you add the rice, you combine that well, because you don't want all of that saltfish and pumpkin to settle on top and none in the bottom. So make sure you mix that up well. Once I mix that up well and add the water, I will cover it and just allow it to cook down nicely. And once most of the water is boiled out of my rice, I will turn it down on low heat and just allow it to simmer nicely. And this is what the final product looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember guys to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 12k subscribers, so help me get there by subscribing and sharing, and I can't wait to see you on Monday for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you so much for watching.